Do you want to create content faster, better, with less stress? In this video, I'm giving you full tutorial on how to use ChatGPT for content creation. Whether you're making YouTube videos, blog posts, or social media captions, ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a great tool for creators and entrepreneurs. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool developed by OpenAI. It can help you write, brainstorm, research, and create content in seconds. Whether you're working on a script, caption, titles, or an entire course, it can cut your workload in half. And with the 2025 updates, it is now even smarter. It remembers your style, and it has access to tools like image creation, and it can help you plan your content strategy. Let me show you an example. I'm going to share my screen. Let me show you how you can prompt ChatGPT to help you create content. So I'll write something like create a 5-day content calendar for my YouTube growth channel. So here is it. You can see that it has created a 5-day content calendar for me. So this is it. Wednesday 2 tech tutorial, Thursday success breakdown. So as you can see, I just created a 5-day content calendar. So that's it. So what I'm going to do now, the first step is to set up ChatGPT for content creation, so that ChatGPT will get used to your style and will know, so that when you prompt ChatGPT, it will know what to give you. So now I'm going to say, write a script about the best paying niches in 2025. 2025. So where is it? It has brought out everything I need for the best paying niches, the hook, everything, the intro. So you can see even the intro. Oh my, Nepa is taking light. So you can see it even brought out the CPM. So this is it. It brought out everything I need to know about the best paying niches. So you don't have to worry about your script writing and all that. Just prompt ChatGPT and it will give you a YouTube befitting script. So that's it, guys. So if you want to use ChatGPT for blog posts, I'm going to give you a prompt that you're going to use. You say write a 1,000 write a 1,000 word blog post on how to make passive income online using digital products. So as you can see, ChatGPT just gave us a good script for a blog post. And this ChatGPT will be good if you want to, if you are writing book, a book writer, to help you also. See now, see everything detailed, well detailed write-ups. So to get better results, be specific with your prompts. Like if you want maybe the age of the character you're talking about or the gender, be specific. As you can see, ChatGPT is like a creative assistant and it is only getting better. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, share the video. I will see you in my next one.